Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine. So today I will teach you how to make muesli honey cookies. So let's go. First of all, you will need 60 grams of unsalted butter, 40 grams of castor sugar, beat both the ingredients until it becomes smooth. Now add 1 tablespoon of milk and 1.5 tablespoon of honey, because it's a muesli honey cookies, so you have to add honey also. Again beat it well. This beating process is very important, guys, so whenever you bake, just keep in your mind that you have to beat it properly. Now for the dry part, take maida or atta, which one is comfortable for you. Just take half cup of it. I have taken half cup of maida. One tablespoon of corn flour. A pinch of baking powder and 2 pinches of baking soda. Sieve all the ingredients nicely. As you can see, my dry part is ready. Now I will add all these ingredients to this mixture and mix it well. Now beat it well. You can also use hand whisker also. Now add 1 cup of muesli. I have taken honey muesli with nuts. You can use whatever is comfortable for you. You can use it. Mix it well. I have used hand whisker to do this. So let's get ready our baking tray. Now make small balls and flatten to 1/4 inch of thickness on your palm. So yes, my tray is ready to bake. Don't forget to preheat the oven before you bake. So bake it for 10 to 15 minutes or until it is done. You can see my cookies are ready and looking good also. So please try at your home. It's very simple, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked my video, then please like, share, comment and also subscribe my channel. So this is for today. Bye bye and take care.